All right, let's get into it. If you have been sending proposal after proposal on Upwork and still waking up with 0 new clients, then this video is for you. Today, I am going to show you how to crack the Upwork algorithm in 2026. This is the same strategy top freelancers use to get more views, more interviews, and more clients, even if they start from 0. The best part is that you don't need any fancy skills or years of experience to start clients today. You just need to understand how the platform really works. Quick intro before we start. I'm Colette, freelance coach, and I have earned more than $2 million on Upwork through my personal and agency profile. In this video, I am going to share the exact steps that helped me and thousands of other freelancers build full-time income using Upwork. So if you are serious about freelancing success in 2026, stay until the end because I am giving you my complete framework. These are the same strategies I wish I knew when I started. Let's jump right in. Upwork is still the biggest freelance platform in the world, and it is growing faster than ever. In 2025, clients spent over $4 billion hiring freelancers through Upwork in more than 190 countries. But here is what most people still get wrong. Upwork is not just a job board. It is a search engine. That means everything you write, from your title to your portfolio to your proposal, must be optimized just like SEO. When clients need work done, they post a job. Freelancers like you send proposals. Upwork's system then decides whose profile shows up higher. That is where the real opportunity lies. Most freelancers are competing blindly. The ones who understand how the system works are the ones that are getting interviews every single day. Let's break this down to be in the top 1%. Upwork algorithm in 2026 focuses on 3 key things: profile engagement, relevance, and client satisfaction. If people view your profile, click on your project, or save your proposal, you get pushed higher in the search results. That is why I always say Upwork is not about luck, it's about a strategy. I personally made over $80,000 in 6 months using this system and gained over 2,800 profile views in 90 days. Here are the 3 secrets. First, keywords are everything. Think about what clients are searching for, like social media manager, video editor, or web designer. These exact keywords need to appear everywhere in your profile, including your title, bio, portfolio, and skill tags, and project description. Second, consistency matters. Apply daily. Upwork rewards active freelancers. The more you engage, the more visible you become. Third, relevant beats randomness. Do not apply to every job. The platform tracks your proposal success rate. Focus only on the job you are qualified for and passionate about. Your profile is your first impression, and clients today are more selective than ever. They are not just only hiring skills, they are hiring trust. So let's create a profile that stands out. Step 1, profile picture. Use a clear, smiling photo, shoulder up, simple background. If you do not have one, use a free tool like pfpmaker.com. This will make you look clean and professional. Step 2, your title. Keep it simple, searchable, and specific. For example, social media manager, content creator, Instagram growth expert. Short keywords, rich and clear. Step 3, your bio. Follow this framework: who you are, what results you deliver, why clients should trust you, and a call to action. Example, I help brands grow through viral short-form content. With over 50 successful projects delivered, I know how to grab attention and drive engagement. Let's work together to grow your brand next. Include your keywords naturally. Step 4. Your portfolio. Even if you have no clients yet, create a sample work. Use Canva, Notion, or Figma to make mock-up projects. Name them clearly, like sample Instagram grid or demo web design. Clients care more about what you can do and not who you do it for. Step number 5, add certificate and proof. Free certificates from HubSpot, Google, or LinkedIn Learning build credibility fast. And make sure you upload at least 3 solid portfolio pieces. 3 is a sweet spot that increases your chances of getting interviews. You can have the best profile in the world, but if your proposal is weak, clients will skip it. Here is the exact proposal formula I use and teach. Step 1, personalized opening. Mention something specific from the job post. Example, hey Sarah, I saw you were looking to increase engagement on Instagram. I really like how you focus on authentic content. That instantly stood out to me. Step 2, why clients choose you. Give 3 short bullet points. For example, 4 years in social media strategy helped 20 brands grow 10 times organically. Fast communication and reliability delivery. Step 3, your process. Explain clearly what working together looks like. For example, I start by reviewing your brand, then I create a tailored content strategy, and finally deliver posts that match your voice and goals. Step 4, call to action. End confidently. Would you like me to share a short strategy outline before we start? Keep it short and clear. Clients want to feel confident, not just read as an essay. And always personalize the first 2 lines. Never send the same message twice. Your result depends on applying for the right job, not the most job. Here is my simple filtering system for Upwork in 2026. Only apply for job posted in the last 24 hours. Target job with fewer than 20 proposals. Only go with clients with payment verified. And always check clients' reviews. If they have spent more than $1,000 and have at least a 4.5 star, that is a great sign. This method instantly filters out the time waster and low budget listings. Once you get that interview, communication is everything. Talk like a professional, but keep it real. Ask questions such as, what is your main goal with this project? Or how will you measure success? When you get hired, send a welcome message. Share a Google Drive folder and collect all the information you need to start strong. During the project, communicate often. Update your client on what you did yesterday, what you are doing today, and what will you do next. Before the job ends, always ask for feedback. Reviews build your job success score, and that score builds your career. Here is what separates average freelancers from the top earners. The best freelancers treat Upwork like a business. They are selective, they build long-term relationships, and they always deliver excellent work. That momentum compounds. The more great reviews you get, the more the platform recommends your profile automatically. And that is when everything changes. If you have watched this far, you are already ahead of most freelancers who give up halfway. Let's do a quick recap. Optimize your profile with the right keywords. Build a clean and impressive portfolio. Personalize every proposal. Apply strategically. Communicate clearly. Deliver amazing results. And there you have it. Your next step is simple. Join my free Facebook community. This link is in the description below. Inside the group, I host monthly live Q&A sessions, share free templates, framework, and profile prompts, and help you personally grow your freelance business. It is the best place to connect, to learn, and to get the support from other serious freelancers who are building real success on Upwork. So check it out and join the group and start taking action today. If you have found this video helpful, then please hit the like button, drop a comment telling me where you are in your freelancing, and subscribe so that you can never miss another guide. Now go make it happen, and I will see you inside the community. Until next time, be freelantastic.